the Volvo Truck, the biggest truck in America. And I'm very excited to show you it because it's the biggest truck in America and you may not went into it, and I'm going into it right now. So it's gonna be so fun. Look how huge this thing is. Look, just look at this thing. I'm gonna climb on here. Look at this Volvo Truck. This is so huge. And the trailer is right here. So let's get into the truck. I'm gonna be showing you what's inside the Volvo Truck. A lot of stuff in there, and this truck is like actually real. People drive on it, like actual people. They like sleep, drive, everything like that. So I'm gonna be showing you what people do inside that truck. The Volvo Truck. This is huge. So I'm a truck driver now. Let's go. Let's go to Florida today. We're gonna see some people. Okay, so here's this thing, and it's so hot in here. So, but when the truck drivers drive, when they sleep, they keep the truck on because they don't want to get hot. So, this is where they sleep. This is where the truck drivers drive right there. This is where they sleep. They just lay on this thing and they sleep. That's the best thing ever. No, but I'm going to show you how they actually sleep. Okay, so you have to move this. Then you have to go like this. And you have to go like this. Like that. And then you push it like this. Like that. You see it like that? So now put it like this right here, and then same thing right here. Does this go like that? Or wait, how did I put it last? And this, where does this go? Like this? Oh, but there's not. Oh, yeah, this will be moved. No, come on, get in here. So, I'm gonna sleep. Move. Why? I'm gonna sleep. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay, I'm kidding. I need to show you all the stuff, so I can't just be. So we're gonna turn on the truck, and where are you going? Okay, so here's all the stuff where you put it, and here's the refrigerator. Here's the refrigerator. It's not that big. As you can see, in your house it's way bigger because it's not a house. Yep. Does it go like this?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, like that. So, here's where you put everything. Here's where you put all the stuff, the songs, everything like that. Wait, I didn't know you could open it like this. Okay, so here, I don't know what this thing is for, because
It's a small window.
A window? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's cool.
When you sleep,
So,
you open
this
it.
thing is where you put your TV or iPad, I don't know, and you watch movies. Yeah,
Like this.
that's cool. So here's where you put some water, maybe, and here's something. There's some. So now there's some light right here where you can see. So lights are here. Oh, lights are right here. So yeah, and the cool thing is that when you want some peace, like when the driver's driving, you don't want to hear him and you don't want to see him, and he's talking very loud. You go like that, and bye. I don't want to see you. So bye. And now I'm sleeping. Close this thing, but I don't want to close it. So, you can just sit right here, and when the driver comes in, I'm just going to be sleeping and then ignoring him every day. Okay, so, and now we're going up top. Up top. So, you just come here, like this. So, to a truck, you're like, oh, I can jump off here. When you get on here, it's super scary. So, if you don't want to fall, you just do this. Or, if you have some stuff like pillows or something that you will use next, you'll use in your drive, you just go like that, plug it in, and look, when I'm sleeping and I'm turning over, I'm falling. So now I can't fall. See this? I can't fall. I can't fall. See? That helps me. And you could put your stuff right here so they could not fall, and then you're gonna be cleaning it up 90 hours. Okay, so like that, just put it back like this. And I forgot to show you something. There's some stuff right here, a window right here. I don't want to open it right now. So move, please. Can you move, please? Move over there. And don't make me fall. I'm gonna put this thing. So move, please. So I forgot to show you that there's some cool stuff right here for maybe kids. So one light. Now you can put this light, the red, kind of red, and white, red, kind of red. So that's cool. There's speakers right here, speakers right here, pillows right here. Not really pillows, you just go like this. I slept here once already, and this was very fun. And I put this thing so it didn't fall. So, and yeah, what did I forget to show you? Maybe. What did I forget? Oh yeah, there's this thing on top of there where you can put your stuff. There. So yeah, that's very cool. This is what is inside of a Volvo truck. So yeah, and there's some trucks where you could get this away, and like it's bigger. You could get this away. Where's the button? Right here, these buttons. Okay, so now we're gonna drive. So here's how you honk, not on a real car, not on like a small car. When someone calls you, you say yes or no. And you can put water right here, the radio, and how much miles are you driving, are you parking, and this thing where you go back, go front, stay. There's a charger right here, where you can put the charger in, and yeah. So, and you just go like this and chill. So low. I'm so. Wait. Not going down. Oh. Good. I don't know how to put it now. How was it? I don't know how to put it. Like this. This, I think. Was it like this? I think so. I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna go down. Okay, like this. Close this up if you wanna rest. And here, wait, actually. So you put this for parking so the car doesn't go anywhere. And here's the trailer, where the trailer back there, you like, I mean, it's not for parking, but like push it and it goes in. So like that, or it goes out. So yeah, that's what is in a Volvo truck, the most biggest truck in America. There's some trucks where put a soccer field. So if I get a truck, I'm putting a soccer field.
Your soccer field in the trailer.
Oh yeah, that's fun. So yeah, that's what is inside a Volvo Truck, the biggest truck in America. So yeah, let's go see the trailer. You were doing such There were so much bees over there.
Did you find rabbit?
No, I didn't find the rabbit there. But there's so much bees. Let's go again.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go in the trailer because there's some space and I'm skinny. It's called stink, not bites. Okay. The wheels are right here. Wheels are right here. No, that's too much. I don't want to do it. I could get in, but not right now. I'm gonna show you it on the next video. Mom, look. I'm a little spider. Look at this. I'm a spider. Hello. Ow, my hands. They hurt. Make sure you go watch the movie Peter Rabbit. And I have it on my PS4 Pro. So, we abandoned those things, or these, abandoned that, and it's so cool. There's a big kitchen. And there's like 2 beds, like one on the bottom, one on the top. I tried to get on the top, and there's a ladder. I was going, and then I accidentally slipped, and I couldn't see the ladder, so I was hanging on.
There is
Sneaky.
a window open.
Put the camera in there. So, see how cool that is? But you can't see really good. Yeah, see that? See that? See that? See that?
You can see.
You can't see anything. Okay, I really want to go back to the skate park.
You can see right here.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Try and see. No, you can't see so much. Okay, let's go. The door, guys.
Let's go. No, door is not open.
Yes, it is. Look. Look. See that?
Mm-hmm.
The door's open. I'll get the bigger down. Okay, I really want to go back to the skate park. So I want to drop in, and I want to go on the ramps and do a tail whip. And yeah, and a lot more things. So, hello, my friends. So right now, me and my sister are gonna be right here. We're just gonna do some stuff and try to find rabbits. And I'm gonna bring the rabbits to you guys if I catch them. So it's fun. There was a lot of rabbits here one day, and it was so cool. And let me show you one cool thing. Let's go.